Evening, everybody. We're gonna do a little bit different. We're not working on the workbench right now. We had a disaster that we had to deal with that's still ongoing and in progress. But I'm here to talk about Max engine pivot plate. This thing is a beast. Not only can you bolt it to multiple carburetor plates to be able to put the plate on the multiple engine configurations, the thing just works. Like, I just have an appreciation for tools that work and make life easier. How this thing works is actually really fundamentally simple. This bolt that goes through here, you can turn it and it will change the angle of the engine and transmission so you can precisely set your engine mounts down on the perches with a lot of precision. And when I say a lot of precision, I mean like when me and Troy were putting this engine in, it absolutely went in with a breeze. We literally were able to angle the transmission down over the radiator support, level the motor out, line up the perches, set it down, and lock it home. And I'm telling you, if you've ever put it in an engine and you've used the cranky kind and the screw across it and the counterbalance, it ain't that simple. Other thing this thing actually was able to do, because I have a garage door, which means I have a limited height I can get this crane. This thing, with it being close to the actual manifold on the intake, this distance isn't super far away, which means I was able to get the clearance necessary. We did have to lower the truck just a few inches to get the pan to clear the radiator support because we didn't want to take everything apart. But man, nothing but praise, Mac. This thing's a great tool. It got my recommendation. I'm keeping it because I know if I go to pull another engine, I want to use it because it works so well. They make attachments for LS's, but that's a big block Chevy and that's a big motor. I don't imagine it would be really that much different on an LS, especially with the LS attachments that go to the side of the intake, or not the intake, what do you call them things? Heads. They literally make an attachment for the heads, and instead of bolting to like where the carburetor would bolt, it goes to the side of the head, so that way it controls it, because on an LS, you don't have a carburetor. But anyway, just a quick tool review, and that thing rocks.